Hey guys, I'm showing you this ONCAI women's platform flip-flops, trendy dressy women's summer sandals with comfortable platforms with arch support. So it's a walking outdoor rubber soles, as you can see. So this comes in a nice box, and let me just take out all this label and stuff. So this have this thick and cushionable rubber sole, and also have this cozy textile fabric on the top and a soft skin friendly toe clip. So this will not hurt with this vegan leather strap, and this is a nice logo on top of it. This is around 1.97 inches in the height and 1.1 inches in the front height. So this is a really good support in here with this rubber cushion form and lightweight as well. So this is really comfortable and fits really well with this non-slip grip and high heels for the support to your ankle and the foot while walking. So a nice pair of flip-flops.